Hello Sagittarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Himali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader and numerologist, bringing you your weekly forecast from the 14th to the 21st of January 2021. This is going to be through tarot cards and we will now discuss what are your weekly energies. So Sagittarians, looking at your weekly energies, you've got the Page of Cups and Six of Cups. Sagittarians, unlike their real selves, not thinking, not being passionate, just being very, very emotional this week, Sagittarians. Page of Cups here indicates that you could be mentally or intuitionally connecting with someone that you love. This could be someone who you've had ties with in the past and you are intuitionally connecting with them in your mind because you really miss spending that time with them and you really miss those memories, and they may just be reflecting in front of your eyes and you may want to connect with them. Subconsciously you may even be sending them messages. Sagittarians, you may also be able to see 222 and 555, 111, 4 times 1 very often, and if you actually end up seeing that, be rest assured that they are also somewhere getting the messages that you may want to send them. On the love front, we've got 9 of Wands and the Creator, which is King of Wands. So 9 of Wands here indicates that every time you take a step towards love, you are actually put back by 2 steps. You are actually you're not able to do whatever you want. You may not be able to find out a way to this solution. I will suggest you to take a break. The other person will take a step towards you by themselves. The person you are dealing with, also being a fire sign, may have a long-term vision to this relationship and they may not want to do anything in haste. So an advice for you would be to stay put, relax, and see what the other person does, at least for this week. On to your work front, you've got 2 of Swords and 4 of Swords. 2 of Swords here indicates that you could have more than 2 choices or more than 2 options or a minimum of 2 options. You may want to take a break, not react, not do anything about it. Take a break for about 4 weeks. This is what is shown to me. Write down the pros and cons. This is a very difficult situation, difficult choice to make, but running away from it will not get any better. So face your obstacles, face your hurdles, and move with full force towards it. However, I would not want you to take any concrete decisions in this week. Just think about it. Don't make any concrete decisions this week. On to your health front, we've got 3 of Cups and the Empress. 3 of Cups here can indicate lifestyle diseases, partying too much, Sagittarius. If this is you, you could be having some digestion issues. You could be having some substance abuse. If you're drinking too much, smoking too much, that could be really chaotic. Depression, feeling betrayed, the fear of being alone, the fear of missing out also. Laziness could be one of the reasons that has been the cause for this. Also, if you are someone who is expecting or who wants to expect some good news this week, you will expect you can expect some good news if you are someone who's planning to have a baby as well. The crystals I recommend you for this week is a red jasper and a carnelian. You need to keep a set of this so that it works on your lower chakras. The lucky color for you is yellow. Purify your body. The lucky number for you is 22. And a message from the Moonology deck is work through your fears. Do not be fearful. Nothing will happen to you. Sagittarius, this is your weekly forecast. Everybody who's celebrating the kite flying festival, a very happy kite flying festival. Happy Makar Sankranti. For the rest of you, I hope this new year is being amazing. Please write to me in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing your comments, reading and replying to them. And until I do the next reading, stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.